Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily install or download Google Meet application here in your laptop or Windows. So let's get started. First is you need to open your Google Chrome or any favorite browser that you have in your computer. Then at the upper search bar, please type Google Meet. Once done, just click enter to proceed. So installing Google Meet application is good, especially if you have, if you will join a meeting, conference, or video calls or online classes if you're a student, then Google Meet is a very convenient application that you can use in your computer. Okay? So here, you'll be redirected to this results. You just have to click this first option. Make sure that you don't visit any website aside from meet.google.com because this is the correct website that you can download or you can visit Google Chrome too. Just click this first link here. Okay. So once you're here, you can start a new meeting, enter a new code link, or you can join a code or link. Okay. So here's the catch. In order to install this in just a click, you can see here meet.google.com and aligning dot is this two icons. It goes with the star and this downloading icon. Now in order to install easily this Google Meet, just have to click this first icon here and you will be directed to the installation of application. Just click this install button to install. Okay? So without waiting any minutes or any hours, you have just installed your Google Meet. Okay? Here, you can connect, collaborate, and celebrate from anywhere with this application. So that's the best thing about this because it has a pretty good features where in just a single click with just connecting internet connection, network cable, you'll be able to connect with your classmates, with your colleagues and more. Okay, here you just have to click this new meeting and it has these three options. It goes with create a meeting for later or start an instant meeting and might as well schedule in Google Calendar and you can also enter a code or link that you want to join. Okay, so once you close this, you'll be able to see Google Meet on desktop screen. That's the very best part of it because in just a click, you'll be able to use your Google Meet. Okay? So let's say, for example, you want to uninstall this because you no longer want to use this or it's no longer needed in your computer. Then just have to click this three dots here and scroll down and go for uninstall Google Meet. Once done, you'll be clarified if you want to uninstall this application. Just click this uninstall to proceed. Just have to wait and then the Google Meet is just being uninstalled in your computer. Okay, so that is just easy step on how to install and uninstall as well Google Meet application. So hopefully you learned something from this video. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.